Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, today I got another amazing recipe for you guys. Chef Will at Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, I'm gonna be making my summer berry loaf today, guys. And I got some nice berries right here in this bowl. And guys, over here I got 4 eggs. I got 1 cup of sour cream right here, guys. I got 2 lemon zest right there, and I got 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and right here I got 3 teaspoons of baking powder, guys, and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and guys, I got 1 teaspoon of lemon right there. Guys, that's all the ingredient that I'm working with today, guys. I just want to show you guys, and the room temperature butter right there, 1 cup. You can use margarine as well. All right, guys, we're gonna get this summer berry loaf. Guys, it's summer, let's use up the fresh berries that's out there. All right, guys, let's get it going. So guys, let's start out with the berries. All right, I'm gonna be adding the cornstarch to it, guys. That's the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, guys. Add to the berries right there. We're just gonna stir that right inside. Just mix that right in there nicely, guys. And then we're gonna set this aside. Alright guys, we're gonna set this aside. Guys, right now, I've just put the butter in the bowl right here, guys. And I got 1 cup of sugar. I'm gonna add right in. We're just gonna mix that in, guys. I'm using my hand mixer today, guys. Alright. And then, we're just gonna add the vanilla right inside and lemon zest. Alright. Guys, we're just gonna mix this all together. Guys, that's nice and fluffy right now. I'm gonna add the eggs. Just gonna do one at a time, guys. Alright. So guys, now we're gonna add the sour cream to this. All the eggs in there. Just gonna add the sour cream right in. Mix that in right now. So guys, right now, I'm gonna add the salt right in the flour there. Baking powder. Just mix it around with a whisk, guys. So that's all the dry stuff I put together, guys. Alright. And guys, we're just gonna sieve the flour right inside. Alright. Beautiful. I'm just gonna mix this half right inside, and then we'll get the rest in there as well. Just use a spatula to fold it in, guys. Nice and gentle, guys. Guys, this berry loaf gonna be up. So this is 2.5 cups of flour, guys. If I didn't tell you that. Works out perfect. Guys, I put this recipe together for about, what, 6 years now? Right, we're gonna add the rest of flour to this. Looking good. Beautiful. Looking lovely, guys. Wow. You guys gotta try out this recipe. It's amazing. Guys, it's summertime. The berries are out there, guys. Get some nice fresh berries, guys. Even if they're frozen, just take them out of the freezer for a bit and let them sit for a good half an hour, guys. You can use it up. All right. This is looking amazing. And I don't even have the berries to it yet, guys. So guys, what I did with the 3 cups of berries, guys, I took out half a cup. I'm gonna put that in at the end after I put the batter into the loaf pan. All right. That's my oven. Just get the 335. Now I'm adding the teaspoon of lemon juice, guys. That's the last one. Away from the berries gonna go in, but all right, beautiful. So guys, right now I'm gonna fold in the berries inside. Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking good. Just fold in all of that berries, guys. And then where is it going? In the loaf pan. Looking beautiful. All right, so that's my summer berry loaf, guys. Gonna get it into a loaf pan right now. I put some parchment paper inside, guys, and we're gonna dump this batter right inside there. All right, so guys, what I did here, I just separate the batter right here because I want to make a small one, guys, for a friend. So the extra half a cup of berries I took out, guys, that's what I put on top here. All right, guys, that looks amazing, and it's not done yet. So we're gonna get it in the oven, guys. This is gonna bake for 1 hour, roughly 1 hour and 10 minutes. I would say until it's done, guys. You try it with your toothpick and it comes out nice and clean. You should be good to go, guys. 335 I got the oven. All right, it should come out nice and moist, guys. We're gonna get it in right now. So guys, the summer berry loaf, it's done, guys. That's what it looks like, guys. We're just gonna let this cool down right now. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over it, and we're gonna cut it. All right, and have some sour berry, guys. Summer berry loaf, guys. You guys gotta try this out. All right, guys, it's up again. Okay, guys, this is the finished product right here of the summer berry loaf, guys. They are looking amazing, guys. So that's a small one I got there, and that's a big one, guys. They're looking amazing. Beautiful, guys. Thanks for watching again, guys. Like, share, guys, and please, guys, hit the notification bell, guys. You guys will know when I put up a new video. Again, share it, guys. Subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.